What is up YouTube, it's your boy TRX here again, and today we are gonna be installing a red button for my starter. We're gonna replace it. Basically it's this one here, and it will replace the old one, which is this one that's just broken. So whilst waiting for, let's get going. Like what the intro says, we're gonna replace it. I bought this stop button. It comes with this little glue thing. So the way to do it is basically just right, let me just do it. Basically just stick this glue thing in there, make it stick, leave it for a bit, and just yank it as quick as possible, like so. All right, when you bought this, that's it, just take it off. When you buy this, mine comes with this. If you can zoom in, there we go. This is the plunger thing that goes inside there. So what we're gonna do is just take this off using a pick tool or whatever, or nail plier, something like that. In order for us to do it, we're gonna have to take this off. Don't worry about the orientation, just gonna pick it one by one. There we go. Two more. Yeah, voila. There you are. That's done. You get the red start button. Hopefully it fits. I haven't test fitted this, so if it doesn't fit, then tough luck. Okay, so there you go. There's the orientation over there. That goes on top. There we are. Let's fit it snugly. Then we get the little plungers on the side. Just put them back in. And all we gotta do is push it back in. Alright, here we go. Best of luck. Line it up. Make sure all them plungers correctly line up. There we go. Just push it in. There we go. All done and dusted. Well, I hope you guys learned from this, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please consider subscribing and hitting the like button. Alright, on to the next video. Bye bye.